Well, my phone cut me off because my phone over. After some lobster tacos, you cannot have a bad day. Like, today's gonna be a good day. Almost makes me want to get Starbucks just to enhance the high off life. That was bad. That was really bad. I'm sorry. It was so bad. That was really loud. Yeah, I'm so glad I'm not in a restaurant right now, cause these kind of burps you can't contain. Oh no, another one. Excuse me. Ew. That was a lot. That was enough. Enough to end this month. There you go. Oh God. Excuse me. Oh God. Excuse me. All right, who do I think I am saying that? Okay, let me calm down for sure. I feel a burp coming though. Excuse me. Oh my. There's a bunch of spastic stuff in your hands. Baby boy, that ain't it. I feel a burp coming though. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. The finale burp. Okay. But I feel another one. Oh my God. Whew, I think that was the last one. All right, gotta get it all out. My bad. It just. Excuse me. Even better. My burns. Oh, that burns. Oh, I already feel a burp. Oh, yep. Wow, that was weird. That one was weird. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, it burns. Sprite always be burning worse. Oh my, you guys. I already know there's about to be a million burps on this man. It's like every chug I burp. Okay, wait. How can people do that? Ooh. Yo, there's something poisonous in this. I already know. And it's giving me very eerie burps. Not even that deep burp. Like at the end of your throat after a few. Ooh. I hate that. Excuse me. That's a lot already though. I mean, come on. That's like a whole soda, right? I'm about to get bloated for. Yo, I ain't playing. I'm not playing. Dang, he's chugging. No. I feel a big one. Oh my God, it hurt. Ooh. Oh yeah, you didn't say. I have a feeling people like feeling. Oh my God, I just feel my belly expanding. Oh my gosh. Ugh. It's okay. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh my God, that was like 10 in a row. Whew.